Hello children, let us perform the endoosmosis experiment. For this, I am doing potato cup experiment. The materials required are potato, plate or petri dish. If petri dish available, you can take that. Water, sugar solution, ball pins, knife, beakers. Okay. Now I will show you the experiment how we have to perform. Here you are observing different materials which we had seen earlier. Potato, raw potato, ball pins, plate, knife, sugar solution. What we have to do first, we have to take the peel off from raw potato and make it as a cube shape. Like this way we have to do uh, that. That means peeling the skin from the potato. Potato cup should be square or that means cube shape. Be careful while making a cup shape, otherwise it will not be useful to do this osmosis experiment. Okay, yeah. Cup should be very clear from inside. That means it should be plain on the bottom side. Once it is prepared, we have to clean it properly, then we can use it for the osmosis experiment. Before that, we have to prepare the sugar solution. We prepared already in this beaker sugar solution. Yeah, it is ready now. We have to pour the sugar solution in the potato cup. Half of the cup should be filled and mark the level of sugar solution in the potato cup by piercing with the ball pin like this. Yeah, that is enough. Okay. Now what we have to do? Pour the water in the plate to half of the height of the potato cup. Ensure that the potato cup does not float or submerge in water. Okay. Yeah, like this way. Potato cup should merge in water only half. Leave this arrangement for 4-5 hours. Later you observe what will happen after this. We observed in the evening. We did this experiment in the morning. We observed it in the evening that the water moved from plate to potato cup. Why it has happened means the movement of water from less solute concentration to more solid concentration happened here through the cells of the potato. The cells of the potato have the membrane, that is plasma membrane. That is the movement of water from less solute concentration to high solute concentration across the cell membrane is called osmosis. Here the movement of water took place from outside to inside of the cells. So that is why here it is called as endoosmosis. The water level present in the potato cup increased. That means a flow of the be marked with the ball pin in the potato cup. So the water level is increased in potato cup. So this proves that the water moved from plate to potato cup. that is endoosmosis. Dear children, do this experiment at your home. Okay, we took fresh water in plate, sugar water in potato cup. Try at your home. Take fresh water in potato cup, sugar water in plate. Then see, observe how water moves, where to where. Okay, note your observations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Bye.